All right, welcome back to Rice League Channel Rockwallers. We back out here again. Got one of our girls, this Miss Bambi. Miss Bambi should be coming in heat a couple of weeks. Also, she's gonna be bred with Samson or either Python. I haven't decided yet. Where you going, girl? Huh? You going to play the ball? Don't be following me. Let me see that ball. Throwing that ball, Jacory. Yeah, bring it back. Can I have it? Come on. Give me. Give me. Give me that ball. Give me that ball. She is not gonna let that ball go, but this Miss Bambi is a good girl. She's gonna be one of our prime females we'll be using in 2023. Come here, girl. You sit like you know you're on camera. But again, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, come here. What you looking at? What you looking at, mama? What you looking at? Got it. Got it. Come get 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 it. Come on this side, Jacory. Hey, come get it. You like that ball? Come here. Yeah. Go ahead. All right, guys. Again, like, share, and subscribe. We thank y'all for joining. Peace. We out.